Alrighty, you have roughly 5 seconds to guess what this video will be about. Well, hi everyone, welcome back. Today's project is Rubbit Waterless Car Wash. I've never tried it before. Highly recommended by my good buddy Tesla Tim. Check out his channel. Awesome guy. Amazing light shows. But if this thing sucks, it's on you, pal. So let's see what's inside the box and see how we like it. What's in the box? Okay. We have an adorable bunny rabbit air freshener. Some towels. More towels. And that's right, even more towels. And Rubbit eFoam sprayer. Some Rubbit Foam 2.0. Apparently, it'll do 25 washes. Then we have a USB-C cable, a little container, and the sprayer itself. Okay, this can spray vertically or horizontally. Power button. Cool, let's check this thing out. Here we go. First thing we're gonna do with our super awesome waterless foam thing is put some water in it. This is supposed to be 2 liters. That's embarrassing. I swear that was the hose. And Grandpa ToyBox over here. Okay, focus. I think I nailed it. Our next step is adding some solution. I'm gonna fill this up to the top. There it is. There we go. Let's mix this up and see how it works. Haha. First try. Okay. Before we use the foam sprayer, we're gonna prep some towels. We are told to fold it like so, then like so, and like so. The reason for this, one side is going to serve the purpose of wiping, while the other side is gonna serve the purpose of wiping. Very important. Here we go. Let's see how it does. Not quite what I was expecting. Yeah, I messed something up. I'll be back. Okay, take 2. I didn't think I put enough water in there the first time. So, now we're talking. Now we wait a few seconds, and then we can start wiping it down. Press and hold for a continuous spray, or press it twice and it'll do it automatically. Nice feature. Alrighty, here we go. Let's do some cleaning.
Here we go.
Cue the montage! Not sure if you can see all these extra little spots here, but check this out. After that dries, all gone. That's perfect. Nicely done. Okay, as you can see, it is almost completely spotless. I can't reach the top of the roof. I'm just a little guy. But what we did get looks amazing. I threw out the fold towel thing out the window almost right away. I just tried as much clean towel wiping everything out, and then took another clean towel to it, wiped it down again, and it's going to look incredible. Definitely like the product. Tim, you did good, you. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.